Welcome to the Essential Handbook of Multimeter Operation, a visual field guide for hobbyists, students, and technicians. Electrical measurement relies on three core pillars: voltage, which is electrical pressure; resistance, which measures opposition and connection; and current, which measures electrical flow. Before any measurement, establish the correct probe setup. The black negative probe always goes into the common port. The red positive probe goes into the V ohms MA port for most measurements. For high current measurements, move the red probe to the 10A port. When selecting the range on a manual range meter, choose a value higher than what you expect to measure. Auto range meters handle the scaling automatically. Voltage represents electrical pressure and is always measured in parallel across a load. DCV is used for batteries, and ACV is used for wall outlets. To measure voltage, set the dial to DCV or ACV. Touch the probe tips to the positive and negative points, and read the voltage on the display. If the reading is negative, the probes are reversed. Resistance measures how much a material opposes the flow of electricity. Continuity checks if a circuit is complete and unbroken. The golden rule of resistance testing is that power must be off. Measuring resistance on a live circuit will cause damage. To check resistance, set the dial to the ohm symbol and touch the probes to both ends of the component. For continuity, set the dial to the speaker icon. The meter will beep if electrically connected. Current measures the flow of electricity and must be measured in series. This means the electricity physically flows through the meter itself. To measure current, set the dial to amps or milliamps. You must break the circuit and insert the multimeter into that gap. A critical safety warning: never measure current directly across a battery or power source. Attempting this without a load in series will immediately blow the multimeter's internal fuse. Use this pre-flight checklist for safe operation. Inspect probes for frayed wires and check for cracked casings. Beginners should avoid testing wall outlets, as AC mains electricity is highly dangerous. When testing live high-voltage circuits, keep one hand in your pocket. This one-hand rule prevents current from passing directly through your heart if a shock occurs. This ultimate cheat sheet summarizes the function, dial setting, probe ports, circuit setup, and safety alerts for measuring voltage, resistance, and current.